Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Leena Francis and we talk all things career, tech and growth. Today's video is something many of you have asked for, a full breakdown of what it's like to build a career as a business analyst. Who is it for? What do they actually do? What tools and skills should you learn and how much can you earn? If you are a student, a recent grad or even someone planning a career switch, this video is for you. So let's dive right in. A business analyst is a bridge between business needs and technology solutions. In simple terms, a BA understands business goals, talks to stakeholders like clients, users, managers, documents the requirement, works with developers, designers, and testers to make sure the right solution is delivered. They ask questions like what problem are we solving, who is affected, what's the best way to fix it. Think of them as problem solvers, communicators, and strategic thinkers. You don't need to be a coder or a math genius to become a BA. You do need to be a good communicator, curious and analytical, comfortable working with data, a team player. This career is great for students in any discipline, business, IT, economics, even arts, working professionals in customer support, operations, or sales, freshers who are unsure about coding, non-tech people who want to enter the tech space. No tech background, no problem. This is one of the most accessible roles in tech. In 2025, companies are collecting more data than ever. But data alone doesn't drive success. Smart decisions do. That's where BAs come in. Companies want to optimize cost, improve customer experience, build better products, and stay competitive. A skilled business analyst helps companies do all that and more. They literally guide business transformation. According to industry reports, BA roles are growing by 14% per year. Over 70% of digital projects need a dedicated BA. Demand is high across IT, finance, healthcare, retail, and even government. Let's break it into three categories: core skills, tools, and soft skills. Core skills include business process analysis, requirements gathering, writing BRDs, that is business requirement documents, creating user stories and workflows. Tools include Excel and Google Sheet, SQL for querying data, Power BI or Tableau for visualizations, Jira or Trello for agile management, wireframing tools like Balsamiq or Lucidchart. Soft skills include communication, listening, critical thinking, negotiation, and documentation. And don't worry, you can learn this gradually. You don't need all of them on day one. Here's how to get started even with zero experiences. You can refer to these free courses or books and also practice. Try analyzing your college admission process or create mock user stories for apps you use like Swiggy, Zomato, Uber. You can create your portfolio projects like redesigning a hotel booking system or improve customer onboarding for an e-commerce site. This will surely help you a lot. You'll find BAs in almost every industry: healthcare, streamlining patient data and billing; finance and banking, digital transformation, fraud detection; e-commerce and retail, improving user experience; tech startup, product analysis and user feedback; in governments, system modernization and citizen service. Whether you want to work in a corporate MNC or a fast-growing startup, there's a place for you. Business analysis isn't a one-stop role. It's a launchpad. Here's what your career can look like: business analyst, senior BA, product owner, product manager, data analyst or BI analyst, strategy consultant or project manager. Some even go on to become startup founders or business coaches. Let me give you a few real-world examples. First one, student example. Neha, an MBA grad, built a mock case study on how to improve food delivery during monsoon in Mumbai. She created user personas, workflows, and dashboard using Power BI. That project landed her a BA internship. Career switcher example. Raj, a support engineer, switched to a BA role by learning SQL and Jira. He now helps optimize onboarding flows for a fintech app. College project ideas. Analyze your university's online exam system, suggest improvements, present it using flowcharts and dashboards. Great portfolio material. Do I need an MBA? No. It helps, but it's not mandatory. Do I need to code? Basic SQL is helpful, but you don't need to write code. Is certification important or required? Not always. But entry certificate in business analysis or certified business analysis professional can boost your chances. What's the salary? For entry level, expect 4 to 7 LPA in India, $60K in the US. For senior BA roles, around 10 to 20 LPA, around $100K in US. Remote jobs, 100% yes. BAs are in demand globally. Here's the truth. You don't need to be a tech wizard to start your career in tech. With the right mindset and curiosity, a business analyst role can open doors to impactful work, great pay, and international opportunities. Start by learning the basics. Build a small project, keep improving. This is your journey and it's absolutely possible. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech career guides. Drop a comment with your questions. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Keep growing.